because I'm taller than you.
Yeah, I want to thank management of GDSC, most especially the director of admin and HR, for seeing this need and also not only seeing the need, putting efforts together to ensure we have such training organized. We thank you so much for that. And then for the trainer as well. We also thank you for putting up such a very detailed, tailor-made training for us. We believe what you have put together for us and what you have delivered would be very, very much helpful in our daily works as we move on from here. Unfortunately, I love to join. I couldn't have time to join, to be with you all the time. But the few times I have been around, I captured a lot. And then personally, I'm also going to use that to improve myself as well. I had my first ever Excel training with Mr. Fofana back in 2015, 2016. So since then, it has paved the way for me. It has given me the curiosity. In those days, I download Excel's videos from YouTube that are over 12 hours long. And then I watched those things overnight. 12 hours long video. Imagine how detailed it would be. And then, you know, some of those who was very detailed, they tried to explain every single bits and pieces. You get the theory and then you have the practical. So from here, I believe we should see efficiency in the way you apply yourself in terms of Excel. You know, you know your various areas where you all work, and then try to see how do you apply what you have learned so that it sticks. And then it also gives you that opportunity to learn more. You know, for the case of finance, for example, you know, you have your reconciliations, you have your petty cash reconciliation and other schedules. You know, try to learn. See, when you go back, try to see don't be scared that you might break something. Always have a backup. Try to say, how do you twitch, and then, you know, learn, implement what you learn. You have the spreadsheet, you know. So we should see more efficiency. And then I also believe that this is going to be a continuous thing, because philosophies in leadership says you don't blame people if you do not train them. So if we expect something quality from them, we should invest in them, we should train them. And then when you train them, then they should also give back. So that's my message to all of us. Let's all put into practice. Apply it. If you do not, after a few days, you will forget what you have learned. Excel is for 100% practical hands-based. You know, so on that note, I thank you all.